If the first person you call for your renovation is a contractor, well, you're already starting the renovation the wrong way. Now, before every contractor who's watching this video jumps into the comments, let me explain. This isn't because contractors aren't incredibly talented. They absolutely are. It's because you're asking the wrong person to solve the wrong problem. A contractor's job is to build what you ask for. Do you know what you're asking for? An interior designer's job is to discover what you need actually before construction even begins. And if you skip that step, you could spend hundreds of thousands of dollars creating a beautiful renovation that still doesn't function the way you want it to. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why successful renovation starts with design, not construction, and how one simple decision can save you money, eliminate stress, and creates a home that exceeds your expectations. So let's use a kitchen as an example because it's one of the most biggest investments homeowners like yourself will ever make. And here's what usually happens. A family decides they're ready for a new kitchen. And so they start looking on Pinterest, scrolling Instagram, saving inspiration photos. Then they call the contractor. Well, the contractor walks through the kitchen and starts asking questions. What kind of cabinets do you want? What countertop are you thinking about? Where would you like the island? And do you have a list of the appliances you're buying? The homeowner looks around and says, well, I'm not really sure. And honestly, how can you possibly know? You're not a designer. You don't renovate homes every day. You're trying to make hundreds of expensive decisions without first understanding what you're trying to accomplish. And every decision becomes overwhelming. Every opinion from all your family members creates confusion, and then change orders become expensive, and the renovation hasn't even started, and already you're second guessing yourself. At Walden Interiors, we do things completely different. We don't start with cabinets. We don't start with countertops. We don't even start with layouts. We start with you. How do you live? How do you cook? Do you entertain? How many family members do you have? And who gathers in the kitchen? Where does everyone naturally gravitate when friends come over? What frustrates you every single day? What's working? What isn't? Because here's what I've learned after years of designing homes. People rarely know what they need. They only know what isn't working, what they don't want. My job is to discover why. Because we're not designing kitchens. We're designing the way people live. Let me give you a real example because this perfectly illustrates what I mean. A client of mine had purchased a beautiful home that had been built in the 1950s. And like most older homes, and we're in the Northeast, the kitchen was completely original. It had dated cabinetry, older appliances, and very little prep space. It was closed off from the rest of the house. When he first called me, he thought he knew exactly what the problem was. He wanted new cabinets, new appliances, a larger island, some seating, and more prep space. And he wanted the kitchen to feel more modern. Honestly, that's what most homeowners think they need. But once we started talking about how he actually lived in his home, everything changed. I learned that he loves to cook. He entertains often. And whenever friends came over, everyone naturally gathered in the kitchen. He wanted to be part of the conversation while he cooked, not isolated in another room. As we walked through the house together, I realized something. The dated cabinets weren't the problem. The real problem was the layout. The kitchen felt totally disconnected from the rest of the home. There's a wall separating it. It almost felt like you left the house and entered a different space. The narrow hallway The bathroom led through a small doorway into the kitchen, and the back door landed directly in the kitchen at the top of the basement stairs, making the flow tough. The island was tiny. It had no storage, not much prep space, and it was not comfortable to sit there. The room wasn't designed for the way he wanted to live. So instead of asking, how do we fit more cabinets into this room? I asked a much better question. How do we make this kitchen the heart of the home? That one question changed everything. We removed the wall between the kitchen and the dining room, instantly connected the spaces. We closed off the hallway, giving us an entire wall for cabinetry, way more cabinetry than he needed, and something every kitchen desperately needs. We relocated the refrigerator. We moved the oven. Okay, we completely redesigned the workflow of the kitchen. But those decisions allowed us to install a large island with plenty of seating, tons of storage, and lots of prep space. And today, when family and friends come over, they're no longer gathered in a small room tucked away at the back of the house. They're connected. They're talking. They're cooking together. The kitchen truly became the heart of the home. Now, here's the important lesson. If he had called the contractor first, the conversation probably would have been like, how many cabinets do you want? Which appliances are you buying? What countertop would you like? Again, there's absolutely nothing wrong with those questions. That's what contractors are hired to do. But our job as interior designers is different. Our job is to understand your life before anyone starts building. Because if we had simply replaced the cabinets and appliances, my client would have ended up with a beautiful new kitchen. That's easy. But that still wouldn't have solved his problem. Second step is creating your vision. Once we understand how you live, now we begin creating your vision. This is where every decision starts working together. Traffic flow, lighting, storage, cabinetry, appliances, furniture, colors, hardware, materials. Every single decision supports one vision. And instead of making hundreds of independent decisions, we're making one thoughtful decision that guides everything else. And that's where clarity comes from. Our third step is planning your investment. Only after we know what you're building do we talk about the costs. Now, you're not guessing. You're making informed decisions. Sometimes we recommend investing more in one area because it will dramatically improve the way you live every day. And other times we'll tell you not to spend the money over here because it isn't worth it. We can go cheap and cheery. My responsibility isn't to help you spend more. It's to help you spend wisely. Now, and only now, we bring in the contractor. Well, at this point, we're working on the same vision. And the contractor isn't trying to decide, they're building. That is exactly what they do best and what they should be doing. There are fewer questions, fewer delays, fewer expensive change orders, better communication, a smoother project, and a much happier you. Design isn't an expense. It's one of the biggest misconceptions I hear. What I hear is, I'd rather save money and skip hiring a designer. Really? In reality, that's usually the most expensive decision homeowners make because moving plumbing costs money. Moving and adding electrical costs money. Reordering cabinetry costs money. Getting countertops costs money. Choosing the wrong finishes costs money. Buying furniture that's too small or too large also costs money. And changing your mind halfway through is going to cost you money. Design isn't an added expense. Design is a roadmap that prevents expensive mistakes. It's clarity. It's confidence. It's knowing that every dollar you invest is moving that you're going to love for years to come. So what you're really buying, people often think they're hiring Walden Interiors to select beautiful finishes and nice pillows. That's actually a very small part of what we do. What you're really investing in is confidence. Confidence that every decision is going to support your lifestyle. Confidence that your contractor has a clear plan. Confidence that your investment is being spent wisely. And confidence that your home isn't just beautiful. It's beautiful for you. Because beautiful kitchens are everywhere. But kitchens designed around the way your family actually lives, well, those are unforgettable. So before you pick up the phone to call a contractor, stop. Start with a vision. Because once construction begins, every change becomes expensive. At Walden Interiors, we believe your renovation should be exciting, not overwhelming. Our mission is to remove the uncertainty, eliminate costly mistakes, and create a home that reflects your personality, your lifestyle, and the way you really want to live. Because we're not designing kitchens. We're not designing living rooms. We're not even designing houses. We're designing the way people live. We're designing the way you live. And if you're thinking about renovating your home and you want to make sure you're starting the right way, I'd love to help. So click the link below to schedule your initial design consultation. We'll talk about your home, your goals, your lifestyle, and create a roadmap before we do demolition, before a single wall comes down. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, or leave me a comment below. I'd love to know, what's the biggest challenge you're facing with your renovation right now? Check out the next video here.